Look up from where you are right now. There are billions of stars in the sky, but the real question is this. Right now, what's happening X kilometers away from Earth? What's out there? How does time work at a distance where even light can't reach? Today, we're embarking on a journey to the unknown corners of the universe. We'll start from Earth and travel to the farthest reaches of the universe. From our near orbit to the moon, beyond the solar system, past our galaxy, and even to the traces of the Big Bang, we're embarking on a journey. And perhaps we're seeking the answer to the greatest question of all. Right now, what's really happening X kilometers away in the universe? Let's first look just beyond Earth. Only 400 kilometers up, there's the International Space Station. This is humanity's farthest outpost in space. Astronauts here conduct scientific experiments, preparing for future missions to the Moon and Mars. From here, we can observe changes on Earth's surface. Storms, volcanic eruptions, melting polar ice. But this is just the first step. Now let's move 384,000 kilometers away to the Moon. There are currently no humans on the lunar surface, but plans are in place to establish permanent bases there in the future. With the Artemis program, NASA and SpaceX are preparing to send astronauts back to the Moon. But what comes after the Moon? Mars is currently 225 million kilometers away from Earth, and we have active rovers there. Perseverance is investigating traces from billions of years ago in Jezero crater. So what about Jupiter and Saturn? The giants of the solar system, constantly in motion. Jupiter's storms are still raging. Saturn's rings are slowly disappearing. But the real big discovery might lie in the icy moons of these planets. Perhaps right now, there are microscopic life forms beneath the icy surface of these satellites, and we haven't discovered them yet. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is currently 18 billion kilometers away from Earth and has crossed the boundaries of our solar system. Here, the sun's influence is now weakening, and cosmic rays are becoming more intense. We have entered interstellar space, but this is still considered within our galaxy. In our galaxy, which spans 100,000 light-years, millions of stars are being born right now while others are dying. Supernova explosions, the collapse of stars, and the birth of new planetary systems. And of course, the massive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A. When we look even further, we are actually looking into the past. At 13.8 billion light-years away, we see the oldest light in the universe. Here, there are the first galaxies formed shortly after the Big Bang. But the most interesting thing is this. This light is only reaching us now, meaning that those galaxies might not even exist anymore. We really don't know what's happening in the farthest corners of the universe right now, because the speed of light sets a limit. Maybe one day, we'll find a way to exceed the speed of light and see the most distant points of the universe in real time. But until then, every distance we look at is actually a glimpse from the past. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this. See you in the next video.